on travels, then will frequency change? No, as frequency is dependent on the source itself. Next is, will the wavelength change? Yes, wavelength depends on the medium, so it will change. Next, now we have a question. Energy is given as 3 electron volt over here and we need to find energy in joule, speed of photon in vacuum, frequency, wavelength, momentum and mass. So we know that is equal to h nu, we can find this. Then we know vacuum speed is this. Then frequency can be find as c by lambda equation. Then we can find lambda from this equation. Then we can find momentum from this. Then we can find mass from p is equal to mc. There is another question here. Wavelength is given, we need to find speed in vacuum, frequency, energy ev, momentum and mass. So we know that speed is this 3 into 10 is to power 8. Frequency is c by lambda, that will be the frequency. Energy is h into nu, we can find the energy like this. Then in electron volt we use h as 4.14 into 10 is to power minus 14. Then we have momentum is equal to E by C, so this can be the momentum. In this way we can solve the question. Now there is another question in which wavelength is 100 nm, then find its wavelength in meter, angstrom, electron volts, joule, etc. So we can say that lambda in meter will be this, in angstrom will be this, energy is hc by lambda. Solving equation we can find E. Then using h in electron volt we can find energy in electron volt. Then we have frequency, so frequency is given by this relation. We can find the frequency by using the equation that frequency is c by lambda. Then we have mass is p is equal to mc, we can find the mass. Then we can find the momentum as E by c, so we can find the momentum. There is another question, when electron is accelerated we need to find kinetic energy in ev, kinetic energy in joule, maximum kinetic energy of X-ray photon when this electron collides with crystal, maximum frequency, wavelength, momentum and mass. So it can also be solved by using energy as here it is 3 volt, so the energy will be 3 electron volt here, and you can convert those things into the parameters. Next one now, so these were certain questions. This is the very first part of the topic. So soon I'll be uploading the second part. So these video lectures are a complete package for JEE Main and NEET Physics. So these will just optimize your time and energy and help you get optimal results in the exam. Thank you and have a nice day.